Hey everybody. So today we're actually doing a project. Today we are going to take this out and rearrange it and cut it into a whole different style. We're gonna leave the couch still, but we're going to make this more efficient. Good thing is we're not gonna do too much. It's only gonna cost me $15, I hope. And I'm gonna try to use the exact same materials I already have. If it doesn't work out, then we'll just upgrade it and spend more money for different things. But we'll see how it works. But my goal is, should only take me $15. That's the only reason why it's gonna cost me $15 is I need a new saw blade. And I had to buy a new saw blade for it. If I didn't need a new saw blade, it would be probably even cheaper. Because I'm pretty sure I have everything I need for this already. So let's see what it is. Enjoy the video. We are going to leave the couch. Like I said before, we're gonna cut this down, make it shorter this way, and then we're actually gonna make it flush with the couch right here. So take out about 6 inches of it. 6 inches here, and we'll probably take about 6 inches off of right here. Goal is to cut this table so there's enough room for a laptop and some room behind it. I'm gonna turn it. All this is gonna be gone, and if you guys don't know, that's where my kitty litter is. We have 2 cats, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this over here and make this the kitty litter area, and it's gonna have a smaller spot. We're gonna just turn this into basically school desks for homeschooling. Let's get to it. After this cut. So buy a whole other table if I mess it up.
Well, the good part is it's back wall. You always put a piece of trim.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I'm doing it back wall, saving the fascia of this so it looks good. Still. I don't have a cutting board. I don't have any of that stuff. To be honest with you, I didn't think I was going to be doing this, so. That way more. Safety.
The first one I was like, no goggles or anything? Jeez, babe.
done. If you notice in the video, we didn't make it exactly how I was explaining it to the very beginning of the movie video. Things change. We opened it up, got everything taken out, and I put it on the side, and I brought Missy in, and we actually looked at it, and we actually liked it all the way open, and we didn't want to put that stuff back because behind that little banister thing just collects dust, collects hair, collects dirt. So we decided to just not put that back in, and doing so we decided to cut the tables a little different, as you can tell in the video, but I like it how it turns out. It opened up really well. Plus I have walking around with my freezer and all that stuff. So also we have exciting news coming up. In a couple of weeks we're gonna have a whole nother adventure going on. Never thought I would be going back to school, but that's the teaser right there. I wasn't even supposed to say that. But yes, we're gonna a whole nother lifestyle, like basically changing my perspective and all that stuff, and educating my life. So there's gonna be a lot more of this stuff going on. I know I'm kind of hard on it. I just get these ideas in my head, and I just do them without recording. I'm like, man, that would make a good video, like this right here. See that? If you guys haven't seen that one, I don't even know if I did the install. I think I did, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't even know if I made the install of that one, but 32 BHSs, that's just a vent that you have to reach up there with your hand and you have to turn it yourself. I added this, it's called a Hike Crew. It's kind of like a Max Air, and it has a remote to it. So I could actually open it here, down here, at reverses, so I could suck air into the trailer or blow air out. It has temperature control, it has all that nice stuff. And I already installed that, and I didn't make it, but if I do have those videos, if you guys like the videos of me working on the trailer and doing some stuff, I do it all the time. I add plugs, I move stuff, I wire stuff. I don't like wires hanging out in the walls and stuff, so I fish up most of my wires as much as I can, so you don't see any wires. But if you guys like this type of video, comment, like, and all that stuff, and I'll show you more. All right? Peace, love, and growth.